the part of the show where I take on one of you in the challenge to end all challenges. The winner claims the Mark versus belt. Now, I've had quite a bit of practice, so who's brave and foolish enough to take me on?
I am. That's right. We're bringing out the big guns, literally. Get ready to hand over that Mark versus belt, brother.
No chance, mate.
Oh,
no
loads of chances, mate. Loads of chances.
Any chances? No chance.
One chance, because we're going to do it right now.
Yeah.
But what will our challenge be? Let's find out. Mystery guest, reveal yourself.
Hello, yes, it is me. I'm Ben Shires from Officially Amazing, and that can only mean one thing.
Yeah.
You two are going to be having another crack at a world record attempt. Oh!
Yeah, boy!
But what is that world record? Well, I can now reveal. Drum roll, please! Yes, it is! The world record for the most cream pies thrown in a partner's face in 30 seconds! Yes! Yeah. It's gonna get messy, boys. How are you feeling?
I've got a really nice silk robe on.
I'll do it, Ben.
Good. That's the type of fighting talk I like to hear. And while they go and get ready, let's take a look at a comprehensive history of challenges these two have faced over the years.
In the beginning, there was Nixon. There was Rhodes. But who was the best? There could only be one way to decide.
And the answer came in a truck.
Bring on the truck of love!
The truck brought with it many challenges.
We can get these guys to dance. We haven't got to do that, have we?
You'll have to just wait and see, won't you?
I'm just shattered watching you. Yeah. I have got no chance.
The most balloons burst using your bottom.
Really classy television.
To win, they needed skills.
Special skills.
Skills they didn't have.
And in an epic 2-year battle, they faced some of the toughest challenges on the planet.
But one man reigned supreme.
And his name was Rhodes. And then he went it alone.
In the pink corner, it's the Wolverhampton windbag, Mark, the guinea pig Rhodes!
But soon his dignity was under threat.
I've got all the moves, so you're gonna lose. Gonna lose.
As a set of brave new challengers
I'm Brynmore, and I'm gonna win more.
raised the bar.
Are you ready to get beaten by a 10-year-old? And that belt is gonna be mine.
With 4 victories and 4 defeats, can Rhodes hold on to his belt one more time?
Oh, look at that.
Let battle commence.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's the moment you've all been waiting for. In the pink corner. Who wouldn't want to pie this guy? I know I would. Give it up for Mark Meredith Rhodes! Crowd favourites. And in the blue corner, a new challenger steps up to the cream-filled plate. He can talk the talk, but definitely not walk the walk. It's Sam, the Barnsley Beefcake Nixon! Let's discuss some rules. Now, you have 30 seconds each to throw as many pies in the face of the person that you're facing as possible. Whoever is on target the most times will take home the coveted Mark versus belt. Yeah. But that's not all. There's also, of course, a world record possibly to be broken today. Yeah. That currently stands at 28 pies in 30 seconds.
That's a lot.
Yes, it is a lot, but beat that, and you not only win our respect, yeah, which is obviously highly regarded, but the respect of the entire world!
Wow!
Yes, how are we feeling about that, fellas?
I'm excited. I'd love to have a world record. I've never won one. I'd love to have
Yeah.
Have you not, Sam?
No. Hey, Mark, you still got yours?
I had one, though.
Yeah, there you go. Any more?
No, I haven't.
No.
I've decided to get a new one, hence this challenge.
Mark, as someone who's tasted that glory in the past, and as the champion, you get to go first.
Thank you.
Please take your positions. Sam, you're stood there, Mark there, and you have to stand 1.5 metres apart at all times. All right, I'm going to count you in. 3, 2, 1, play! Oh, it's nice. Good. Wow. Well, Sam, you can duck into these, you know.
Oh, no, I can't see anything.
Where did you learn this technique? Clown college? Come on, Mark. Oh, halfway through. Not long to go. Oh, that was a good. Direct it. Come on, let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. 5 seconds left. Oh, 2, 1, stop! That's it. No more pieing, please. I'm pretty sure we got at least one direct hit. Oh, excellent work, Mark. I very much enjoyed that. Sam, how are you feeling?
I can't see a thing.
Always a sign of a good world record attempt. Excellent work. Now, I think it's time for you to get your own back, Sam. We're going to need to switch positions here and get some fresh pies, I believe.
Oh,
so
lovely.
whilst we do that, let's take a look at some of these hits in slow-mo. Mark, looking back at that, do you feel like you got your arm in?
I feel as though it's a competitive total. Let's see what you can do, Nixon.
OK.
Excellent. Well, without further ado, in 3, 2, 1, bang! Oh, it's a strong start. Yes, it's nice. I like this. Look at the venom. Look at the vigour he's throwing this. Oh, excellent. Mark Rhodes cannot see a thing apart from cream. Oh, we're halfway through. 15 seconds. Come on, Sam. Oh, it's almost aggressive, but in a good way. Watch my blood, Sam. Come on. He's moving across the table. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, no.
Oh. Well, that was very good. Oh. This is pie carnage. I very much enjoyed that.
Hey, nobody invited Jedward.
Come over here, boys. Join me for the results. It's the moment of tension now. Don't come too close, all right?
Sorry, mate.
Look at these nice clothes.
They are lovely
They're
clothes.
They're not cream-proof.
OK.
OK, now we're joined by official adjudicator Liz here.
Hi, Liz.
Liz, you watched the pie throwing there going on in all its glory. Can you first confirm that they were both legal attempts?
Yeah, absolutely. I had to disqualify only one of your hits, but other than that, the rest were absolutely fine.
Interesting.
Ooh, fantastic. Now, let's get a bit of tension going. I can feel it in the audience already. Some shifting in the seats. Liz, can you please reveal how many pies Mark managed to throw?
OK, so Mark managed to throw 13 pies in 30 seconds.
Oh.
Not bad.
Lucky for some, 13 pies. But we also had this plucky young challenger, Barnsley's own Sam Nixon. Sam's feeling quite confident now, I think.
No, I'm not.
Yeah,
Let's find out exactly how he did.
From the looks of Mark, obviously, there were quite a few successful hits there. The final total for you was 24.
This is yours, Sam.
Oh, it is mine. It is mine.
No world records, unfortunately. The record to beat was 28.
28,
right,
that's right.
Unfortunately, just shortly
Not
off.
far off, though,
Yeah,
Ben,
I
weren't
mean,
it?
with a bit of practice, I think this guy could be up there.
Should we do it again?
No. Never do that again.
Oh, I'm going to enjoy wearing this belt, mate. It looks lovely, innit?
Don't like Mark versus anymore.
Well, that was awesome. A big thank you once again to Ben and our adjudicator, Liz. Thank you very much, guys. Awesome. Yeah. OK, we're going to go and get ourselves cleaned up.
But while we do, here's how we've stitched you up over the years.